Alright, so let me start off by saying I'm a recovering addict, so my mouth is not great. My smile on this side is okay. You go to this side, I'm missing stuff. I got cavities, teeth breaking off, whole 9 yards. I needed something quick. I needed something fast and affordable. I own a business, so I deal with customers. They sent me this little thing, 3 weeks from start to finish. Took 2 days to get my molds. I sent them back. 2 weeks later, got my veneers. It opens up. It's got a mirror. And then here's your veneers. So let me show you what they look like. See my smile? There you go. Tops in. Look at that. It's amazing. Bottoms. Hear them click in. Now that is amazing instant smile. Little tiny lisp. You'll get used to it. You'll be able to eat fine. You do good. I highly recommend it. Highly recommend it. There's my smile. It's great.